And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hi, good morning, Sea Lions. My name is Macy Swinford and I'm the principal for the day.
Hi, I'm Michael Gaisley and I'm the assistant principal of the day.
And this is Assistant Principal Mr. Larson, and welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
This is Sea Lion leader Ariana with this week's announcements. State testing continues all week long. Remember to be quiet in the hallways so our scholars can concentrate. We're having a lockdown drill on Wednesday. Be sure to listen to your teacher for instructions. Fifth graders are visiting the chemistry lab at LaSalle High School. Miss Wallace and Miss Uson will go on Wednesday. The 8th annual Griff Friends is back. Have fun on the baseball field at the high school. It's time for the 5th grade awards. Award winners will be invited to the auditorium for a 5 o'clock ceremony. All library books are due back in the media center by Thursday. Be sure to thank Miss Jenks for another great year of stories and fun. The final Sea Lion Award ceremony is on Thursday. Congratulations to all the award winners. There is no school on Friday. This is a planning day for teachers. Let's go have some fun. The 4th grade trip to Sacramento happens on Friday. Have fun in the state capitol. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Remember, there is no school on Monday. That's it, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Hi, I'm Annabelle Barr.
And I'm Tommy Villa.
And we want to invite you to join Anchored for Life.
Anchored for Life is McGaw's peer-to-peer support program.
Our goal is to help build student leaders that are resilient and have good character.
We're looking to add 3 leads to next year's team.
If you're interested, please apply by May 31st.
Thanks so much, Annabelle and Tommy. You're right, Anchored for Life is looking for 3 team leads for next year. This opportunity is open only to grades 3 and 4. Applications will be coming soon. Make sure you talk to your teacher about your interests and get your application in by May 31st.
Good job for earning over 3,000 Robux. Yee-yaw! You got a Robux.
Way to go, boys!
Kindergarten.
Our first Roebuck winner of the week is kindergartner from Miss Kim's class. Congratulations to Cyrus Zulfagari. She writes that Cyrus was a professional teacher of the day. He was kind, he was helpful, and a great leader in room 4. Way to go, Cyrus.
1st grade.
Our winner in 1st grade was nominated by Miss Kinsey Schmitz. Congratulations to Rowan Villalobos Cochran. Rowan included a friend at PE and he helped teach him how to play the game. Way to go, Rowan. You are a super citizen.
2nd grade.
Mrs. Brendel wants to shout out 2nd grader from room 19, Oliver O'Connor. She said that Oliver is a super focused, super determined writer. It has been fun watching this author at work. Thanks for doing your best on your writing.
3rd grade.
Mrs. Jenks would like to celebrate 3rd grader Abigail Quinn. She says that Abby was very kind and helpful when another student wasn't feeling well. She offered encouragement as she always does. Abby, you are spectacular.
4th grade.
Our 4th grade winner is from Miss Duncan's class. Miss Oveda wants to shout out Catherine Pollock. She says, thank you, Catherine, for volunteering to stack those lunch trays. Let's remember, students, to be on top of our organization and cleanliness. I appreciate you, Catherine, for sticking to the goal.
5th grade.
Our winner in 5th grade is from Miss Alvarado's class. Miss Oveda wants to shout out Joey Garcia. She says, thanks, Joey, for doing a great job on the green team. And you know what? Joey is known for so much more than just being a volunteer. He's kind, he's patient, he's super friendly, and he's a super scholar. Thanks so much, Joey. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!